Hello, this is Dennis. We have been getting a lot of offers from clients to help them remodel their outdoor patios. Some of them want to sell their homes and increase the value of their homes when they sell. And most of them want to enjoy the summer sunshine because the summer is so short here, so they can't wait to remodel their patios in the spring. With more than a decade of experience and a good relationship with our clients, we have accumulated a lot of successful projects. With this in mind, we have created a batch of short 3 to 5 minute videos, trying to explain the problem clearly and provide a good relationship. With more than a decade of experience and good working relationship with our customers, we have accumulated a lot of successful projects. In view of this, we have produced a number of 3 to 5 minutes of short videos, trying to clearly and concisely explain the problem and provide practical advice to save your valuable time. If you are interested in this topic, please subscribe to our channel immediately so as not to miss the effective information. Today, I would like to share with you an example of a project in Scarborough Town Centre. We remodeled the front yard for the customer. The cost is not much, just the equivalent of half a kitchen renovation costs, making a big difference in the appearance, we guess. Half a kitchen renovation costs about how much money? Welcome to leave a comment below, share your guess. This is a project from last summer. The client was in a hurry to sell his house and asked us to help him remodel his front yard. After a site inspection, we realized there were a few problems. The first problem was that the walkway from the stairs directly to the public walkway was not good. It's against feng shui. It's a bit feng shui, it's going to tear down the platform. Another problem is that the steps. The weathering damage is quite serious. The interlock underneath the steps, because of the low terrain, will be waterlogged in the summer, and it is difficult to clean up the snow in the winter. The third point is this. Iron handrail. The root has been completely rusted off. We suggested to the owner to replace it with aluminum. This was a small project, but it was very complicated and required a certain amount of patience. Where did we start? We started by remediating the rocky ground in front of the house. We started with the rocky area in front of us. We need to raise the height of this piece of land. At least this height can't be lower than driveway. Yet this will make it more natural and comfortable for people to walk on. Then the second aspect is to remove the original path in front, all ready to pave the grass, with a 4x4 column to make it divided. The visual feeling is still more natural. The 4x4 column is pressure treated, which is anti-corrosive. The third aspect is to repair the old concrete countertop. This is Home Depot's post-slurry acrylic paint, which effectively seals and protects the original mottled and weathered surface. After that, we installed an aluminum handrail, a Home Depot, from Home Depot, a brand called Peak. The aluminum handrail is a brand called Peak from Home Depot, and it has a more textured feel to it, and the material is very strong. The material is very strong, but not too subtle, and the matte surface also gives a very heavy feeling. You see, the front is a simple transformation. A simple remodeling of the front of this immediately. It's a whole new look. Doesn't it serve as a finishing touch? The first week after the remodeling of the house, which had been unattended for more than 2 months, the open house was filled with people, and it was later reported that the owner had received a more lucrative return than he had expected. So guess how much the investment of half a kitchen cost, as I just said. Please share your guesses in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.